Hi, I'm Bonnie Barker with Bonnie Bay Crochet, and I wanted to make a short little video to show you some of the projects that are already on my channel and to try to make things as easy as possible. If you look in the description of the video below, I will have a link to a playlist that'll have all of these listed in a playlist. It'll have them all listed to the right so that you can easily access them if you're interested in doing any of them. Okay, well, let me just do a quick run through. Let me show you some of the things that you can make with my channel. This is an easy beginner's dishcloth that uses the double stitch or the two stitch, which is a single crochet, double crochet. Crochets up really quickly, is great for washing dishes and really wonderful gifts for family, friends, teachers, etc. If you are a crocheter only and have always wanted to learn how to knit, I do have a couple of easy beginning knit videos that are designed actually for crocheters, and you learn the very basic continental styled knitting. And I was one who was afraid of knitting for many years, but once I learned this methodology, there's been no turning back. It's really shown me just how easy this can be. So if you're interested in learning knit, this is a great beginning project. Okay, what else do we have? We have a long stocking hat. These are a lot of fun to wear around the holidays. You can make this into a Santa hat if you want, or like I did, I made it in the colors of my local sports team, and they're easy. It's mostly all double crochets, and I actually have a tutorial on how to make a really excellent pom-pom. So I will add those into that list as well. And beginners, don't be afraid of that. Here's a fun one. This is made with kind of an elasticy yarn, but this is a little sleeve for your hot beverages. You can take this. They're small enough to stick in your purse. They work up really quickly, and they make really great gifts. You can make these in your sports teams, or just, you know, be creative with stripes or whatever with that. Here is another new project that just came out on my channel. This is the round cotton dishcloth for easy beginners. And you can make this in many different colors. It's with 100% cotton, and you can buy this very economically. One cone of this that looks kind of like this from my local Walmart store for $8.44 yielded 11 of these for gifts. So I'm really excited about that. If you're my friend, don't be surprised if your gift only costs 77 cents to make. So anyway, and they're great gifts that last for years. Here's another one of my favorites. This is more of an intermediate project. This is a cabled backpack, and these are great. I've worn these on many, many trips. Strings pull, and these become backpack straps. You can decorate with all kinds of pretty beads or not. And this is also made out of the 100% cotton, so it's very much washable, and if you want, you can put a liner in it and add pockets if you have seamstress abilities. Again, lots of possibilities there. Here is another easy beginner project where you can learn how to crochet the ripple stitch, and you can just wear this many different ways. You can wear it as a big infinity scarf, or you could even, you know, wrap it a couple of times and wear it as a cowl. Lots of fun. I think it only took one scan of the yarn that is listed in that particular video. Here's a fun one. This crochets up very easily using the tulip stitch. This is an easy beginner project. I'm using the Cascade yarn fixation, which is very stretchy, makes for a great headband, especially for the athletic minded. It's 100% or like 98% cotton, 2% spandex or something like that, so it is absorbent. And another one of my favorites, this is a beret using the braided cable stitch, and that works up rather quickly. This is an intermediate project, and this is a pattern that is featured on Cascade Yarn's site, and the pattern is available free for this. And here is a fun cowl that you can wear with a lot of fringe. And this works up rather quickly. It uses, I believe it's called the waffle stitch. And actually this was made with remnants of yarn that I had from another project. So that can be fun. And here's another. This is an intermediate project, but I recommend if you're a beginner and you're a confident beginner, you could easily learn how to do your first cables with this project. This is a spa cloth. It's using softer cotton, so that's easier on the skin than the other cotton that I showed you. Well, I have many other projects, including, let me show you this one right back here. This is a men's scarf. It could also be a women's scarf as well, but I know it's really hard to find things for our guys, and that is also on my channel. And any of the patterns, if you're looking for them, if they're not in a book or magazine, that will be specified in the video. But I do have my lovecrafts.com pattern store online, and you can take a look at that and see if there's anything else that you might be interested in that you could use for the upcoming holidays. Well, I hope this is helpful to you all. God bless, and I just wish you the very best holiday season. Bye-bye.